That was a rising wedge after a parabolic run up with falling volume after the peak, and a consolidating, restricting price would indicate that the price was going to fall. But you always want to go on the monthly time frame to get, because all charting is, and technical analysis is looking at the price movement and where it came from and where it looks like it's going based off prior action. You know what I mean? So you got to look and see what the overall big move is doing, right? And in the monthly time frame, which is the biggest scale we can look at this in, you can see the red line. That red line from 2012 to middle of 2000, latter part of 2017, 18 was ultimate support for years. And finally, one day it broke it. And then it came back up about a half a year later in a big move up and got rejected off of it at $14,500 when everybody thought you were about to have the second leg to this massive bull run. Well, it was meeting ultimate support now. If it was 7 years ultimate resistance, if it was 7 years ultimate support back there, it's going to be ultimate resistance now, and it was. You got rejected, and big time rejected, multi-year rejection, and you didn't actually come back up and run back into this for 5 years. You know what I'm saying? But off that 5 year looking like crypto might be over, you could have already known, if you extrapolate out far enough to when you think a Bitcoin parabolic move up is going to be, you can kind of get a guess where you could top out at, you know, because this line up here, that red line, I did not change. It was just drawn out into the future. That line got drawn out years ago, and it's just drawn out into the future. Now we're into the future, and the price finally recovered enough, and we were fortunate enough that cryptocurrency showed and proved its resilience, and it is here to stay. When we finally came way up to 60,000, we pretty much got rejected off of that line. If you look at it in the monthly time frame, it hit that. In the minute time frame, it doesn't show it for some reason, but the monthly it does. I mean, you just got rejected, constricted, and started trading sideways off of it. So you could have already had a data point off of a bull run starting from anywhere south of that line to saying this is going to be a big resistance area because it was a 7 year support line. You know, it's not just going to go blow by that after 7 years of support. A 7 year flipped resistance line is not just going to be broken. You're going to have to trade sideways. You're going to have to consolidate down. Trading's going to have to commence. Buyers, remember to like, subscribe, and share the video and comment below. It really helps the channel. It helps me get the word out. It helps me teach you more. If you got any questions, you know, feel free to put it down there. But it helps you